Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today we're going to be unboxing the Breather Respiratory Muscle Trainer. The Breather clinical benefits include improved dyspnea, peak cough flow, QOL, vent weaning, and speech and swallow performance. This model was designed by therapists for therapists and builds from the success of the original breather in service since 1980. So how this works is you breathe in and out of it. There's two different mouthpieces. That one, or they have the one that comes on it, which is more oval. And what you do is you set the resistance here for your exhale and your inhale. And what it does is it helps to train your diaphragm. And I have asthma, so I'm hoping this will help me out. And what you do is you do 10 in, 10 out twice a day, I believe. And it helps you out. So this is what it is and what all comes with it if you wanted to know what comes in the box. The Breather. In the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.